Imagine creating professional videos with just text descriptions. No camera, no actors, no expensive equipment. Welcome back to AI Video Studio. Today we're diving into Runway ML, the AI video platform that's revolutionizing content creation in 2025. In this beginner's guide, you'll learn what is Runway ML, how to get started, and create your first AI-generated video in just minutes. This is part 1 of our complete Runway series, so hit subscribe and let's begin. Runway ML is an applied AI research company that builds tools for creative professionals. Think of it as a complete video production studio powered by artificial intelligence. Whether you're a filmmaker, marketer, or content creator, Runway gives you superpowers. The platform uses advanced AI models to generate, edit, and transform video content. What makes Runway special is its Gen 4 model, launched in March 2025. This breakthrough technology delivers unprecedented consistency. You can create characters and locations that remain visually identical across multiple scenes. This is the game changer that makes AI video production ready for professional work. Runway offers both free and paid plans. The free tier lets you explore the technology with limited credits. Paid plans start at $15 monthly, unlocking advanced features, longer videos, and priority processing. You can create everything from social media content to film sequences, all from text descriptions or images. Getting started is simple. Head to runwayml.com and click Sign Up. You can use email or sign in with Google. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your creative command center. The center workspace shows your generations and projects. Everything is intuitive and designed for creators, not engineers. Before we create videos, let's start with image generation. Click on Generate Image from your dashboard. You'll see a text prompt field where we can describe what we want to create. And now the secret to great results: detailed descriptions. Don't just write person walking on a street. Instead, try young woman in casual streetwear walking down urban street, autumn afternoon, golden sunlight, buildings in background, cinematic look. Notice how we described the subject, action, environment, lighting, and cinematic quality. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. This workflow gives you creative control that direct text-to-video can't match. You can generate multiple variations, review them all, and select the absolute best one for animation. Generate 3 or 4 variations of your prompt. Compare them. Choose the one with the best composition, lighting, and subject positioning. This selected image is now your perfect starting point. Now comes the exciting part: bringing your chosen image to life. This is where the two-step workflow shows its power. Because you already have the perfect image, you have complete control over the starting frame of your video. Now you can add a motion prompt to describe how you want this image to move, or leave everything to AI. Runway's AI can analyze your image and automatically generate appropriate movement. It understands the scene context and adds natural motion that makes sense. However, if you want specific control over how the image moves, you can add a detailed motion prompt to guide exactly what happens. The two-step approach, generate image first, animate second, is how professionals maintain quality control. You can iterate on the perfect image without wasting time on full video generations. Then animate only your best work. When you generate video directly from text, you're committing significant credits and time to each attempt. If the result isn't quite right, you need to regenerate the entire video. That's expensive and time-consuming. But with the image first approach, you can rapidly generate multiple image variations. Each image uses fewer credits than video. Review them all, compare compositions, evaluate lighting and framing. Select your absolute best option. Think of it like traditional filmmaking. You wouldn't start shooting without reviewing your location and framing your shot first. The image first workflow brings that same professional discipline to AI video creation. You're making intentional creative choices, not leaving results to chance. Congratulations! You've just mastered the foundational Runway ML workflow. But we're just getting started. In part 2, we'll discover Runway's brand new Apps feature. Specialized tools launched just days ago for tasks like removing objects, reshoot product videos, and changing background. We'll dive into advanced techniques like character consistency and professional prompting strategies. Subscribe to AI Video Studio so you don't miss part 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.